just looking at it and thinking, well, the cars here, but no one down here.
Yeah, you're lined up. Give it a little bit of left hand down as you're going over. Just to straighten up.
Say which way over.
Yeah. This should make it look easy. Straight a minute. Keep going straight. Keep going. Go about another foot before you're at the top. Go on. Keep coming. Keep going straight. A bit more. A little bit more. Now start turning in, but not too tight. That's it. Turn a little bit more. That's it. Now straighten up a little bit, otherwise you're going to catch your rear wheel. Yeah, lovely.